Hello everyone! Tara, samahan mo ako magkuha ng kalamansi sa kalamansi tree ko. Kasi gagawa tayo kalamansi juice. Yee! Sorry po, magulo yung buhok ko kasi bagong ligo po ako. Let's go! Ayun, may nakita ako isa. Hinog na yata to ah. Matamis kaya to kasi color yellow. Ikutin na natin. Our first calamansi. Another one. Tingnan nyo, ang dami, ang lalaki. Wow. Mas malaki pala to. Let's go get it. Wow, dalawa na. Wow, ang laki din ng katabi niya. Kunin din natin. May pang 4 oh. Wow, merong twins. Another big calamansi. Oh my God, guys! Tingnan mo! Ito yung pinamakalaki. Ito yung leader. 5 na. Meron pa oh. Let's go get one. There. Meron pa isa oh. Pa? Okay, so ito na yung nakuha namin. So ito na lahat nakuha natin. So tara, gumawa na tayo kalamansi juice. Yippee! Ang lalaki nila. Part 2, we're going to make calamansi juice now. Yippee! So, I have a knife, but be careful kids. As a parent to do this. Ito pala nakuha natin kalamansi kahapon. Let's go cut. Ito pa yung laman. So ito yung panglagay. May seed po siya kaya may ganito kami. Tawag dito strainer. Cut muna natin ito lahat. Wait. I use a smaller knife. Ang tibay na ito ah. Oh, juicy. My mom's helping me. Now, isi-squeeze na natin siya dito. So I think that's all. Seed. So this is all the juice we got. Next, lalagay natin yung sugar. 2 spoons. 1, 2. Lagyan natin ng calamansi ng tasa. Mga 5 spoons. We get our calamansi juice. That's right. Okay, need to put ice. Okay, time to get cold water. Whee! Cold water. Stir. Let's drink. Delicious. Bye bye, that's all.